Hi viewers, today's recipe is a simple chicken biryani. Let's see how to make that. First we need to marinate the chicken pieces with 1 teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and some salt. We need medium sized ginger, quarter cup of mint leaves, 6 to 8 pieces of green chilies, quarter cup of garlic and 1 tomato. Rice 2 glasses. First we need to grind this ginger, garlic, green chilies and mint leaves coarsely. Add a little bit of water and grind it. Let's prepare chicken. Here I have a biryani pot. I am adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. To this I am adding 2 sliced onions. Sauteing it until it becomes soft. Little bit of salt just to speed up the cooking process. Onions turn to translucent, adding diced tomato. And coarse mixture of ginger, garlic, green chilies and mint leaves. Sauteing it well just to get rid of the raw taste and smell of ginger, garlic and green chilies. So now it's time to add marinated chicken pieces. Mix well. To make it a little more spicy, I am adding 1 teaspoon of chilli powder. Adding 3 tablespoons of curds. Curds will help to soften the chicken and also masala will get absorbed quickly. Let this cook for another 15 to 20 minutes in medium flame. We marinate the chicken pieces with enough salt so you can check the taste and add salt if required. No need to add any water into this because chicken will release enough gravy once it gets heated up. So let's wait for another 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we can prepare rice for the biryani using a pressure cooker. I'm going to cook rice. Ghee started to melt, so now I'm going to add washed and cleaned rice. Just roasting it for 1 minute. Pouring 2 glasses of water. For 1 glass of rice, we need to add exactly 1 glass of water. That is the correct proportion. Adding 4 to 5 cardamom pods, half teaspoon of garam masala and some salt. Give it a good mix and let this cook until we hear just 1 whistle from the pressure cooker. So here chicken is getting ready. Let's wait until gravy thickens little bit more. Just now I added half teaspoon of garam masala. First whistle from the pressure cooker, switching off the flame. Chicken masala is ready. Rice cooked well. Spreading cooked rice on top of the chicken curry. Adding some fried cashews and raisins. Some fried onions. Cook this for another 5 minutes in low flame. 5 minutes are over now. Gently mixing it. So our chicken biryani is ready. Hope you liked today's video. If you like it, please click the like button. Share it if you find this video helpful. So until next time, bye bye.